$300. If this is your budget to build the best PC in 2023, then this video is for you. Here I will show you the best PC components that money can buy under $300. Let's get started. Now for the processor, I've chosen the AMD Ryzen 5 5600G. This one costs around $110. Now this processor has 6 cores and 12 threads along with 4.4 GHz boost clock speed, which makes it an excellent budget processor. Then for the motherboard, I've chosen the Asus TUF Gaming A520M. This one costs around $99. Now this is an excellent motherboard. As you can see, you will get 4 RAM slot, fairly decent amount of heatsink over the VRM section, so you won't see any thermal throttling, a little RGB strip here in the bottom. So overall an excellent motherboard in this price. Then for the RAM, I've chosen the Team Group T for 16GB DDR4 RAM. This one costs around $41. Now these are one of the cheapest DDR4 RAM that you can buy, and also those RAMs comes with lifetime warranty, so an excellent deal in this price. Then for the SSD, I've chosen the Team Group MP33 512GB SSD. This one costs around $31. Now for only $31, you are going to get an SSD where you will get 1400 to 1700 Mbps read write speed, which is more than enough to give your PC a super fast experience. And also those RAMs comes with 5-year warranty, so an excellent deal in this price. Then for the power supply, I've chosen the Thermaltake Smart 500W 80+ white certified power supply. This one costs around $34. Now for a 5600G build, you don't need a 500W PSU, but since this PSU is very cheap, I have chosen this one, and this power supply comes with 5-year plus warranty, so an excellent deal in this price. And finally, the casing is completely up to you, buy whichever you like, and all those components will cost you around $319. Thanks for watching.